So like the lesson says, you want to avoid using the why question. And I just want to explain. This is a short lesson, but just want to explain what that means, because it relates to the cognitive distortions and sequential dependence that we've talked about in the previous lessons. So why do you want to avoid using a why question? Okay, so when the client, the patient, is being resistant, and they're coming out with some irrational argument about something that they want to draw you into, you want to avoid asking them, well, why are you doing, or why are you this, or why are you that? Why are you, like that? Because it gives them an opportunity to offer you an excuse. Okay, so let me explain how that works. So just take anything. They're saying, they'll say, well, why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do that now? And they'll give you some, because da 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 da, and they'll give you an excuse of why they're doing something irrational. Let's just give you an example. They want to leave AMA. They want to walk out. They want to go, and you're trying to convince them to stay. And this is a real life example. The counselor finally said, well, why would you want to leave here? You're safe here. It's a nice place. It's comfortable, and you could stay here where it's why would you want to leave? And then the client came out with something ridiculous. Well, you people can't help me here. I knew that this wasn't going to work, and I have to get out of here. So with their cognitive distortion and the sequential dependence, that, well, where are they going? You know where they're going. They're leaving and storming out and arguing with you because they're going out to relapse. They're going out to get high. So you avoid you asking the why question. Why did you hit your wife? Because she deserved it, or she wouldn't shut up, or they'll come up with some excuse. When you ask a why question, it gives the patient, the client, an opportunity to give you one of their irrational excuses of why they're doing something irrational. And it sounds very convincing to them, but when you do that, it only reinforces their dependence on that answer, or their sequential dependence, because this is something that they've used over and over and over again. And when they give you the excuse, they're just convincing themselves that they're right and you're wrong. So this is a counseling tip, counseling skill. As far as resistance management, you want to avoid using the why question. And remember, well, we'll see what some alternatives are.